Have you ever wondered how to make an aloe vera gel? Well, today we're going to make one. And not only that, we're going to talk about what ingredients that you could possibly add to this gel, as well as how much of the aloe vera gel or aloe vera that you could add to a product without ruining the viscosity. Aloe has skin-loving properties. It's cooling and it's anti-inflammatory. It leaves a light film on the skin to help retain moisture. Therefore, it's great for sunburns and bug bites. Now, let's make our skin-soothing, healing aloe gel. First, I gather all my utensils I'll be using. I do have 2 sets of scales that you'll see in the video. One measures less than a gram, and the other measures 1 gram and over. Then I gather my ingredients. I measure 67 grams of distilled water. Then I weigh out 29.5 grams of the aloe vera liquid that I have made up in a prior video, and 0.50 grams liquid Germol Plus, and 3 grams of Subumax Zen. The Subumax is what brings everything together that makes it a gel. Then I mix all the wet ingredients and stir for just a couple of seconds. And then last, I take the Subumax Zen and put it on top of the water. And then I'll stir it for just a second. And then I'll leave it for about 8 hours covered just so nothing gets into it. And then I'll come back and check on it throughout the 8 hours. I did get busy and forgot to check on this or to finish the video. It was probably about 24 hours later before I got back in here. I did snap a few pictures at 4 hours. So I mentioned earlier that there were other extracts that you could add to this gel. You could use banana extract in the powder form. It contains high levels of potassium and vitamin A. It's been proven extraordinarily helpful for dry skin. If I were to use this in the powdered form, I would use it at 0.5%, or in a 100-gram batch would be a half a gram. You could use 95.5 grams of the aloe vera gel and then add 0.5 gram for a gel that will be double moisturizing. Or you could use a cranberry extract. It's rich in vitamin C, which provides protective and rejuvenating benefits for skin. And you would use this at the same percent, 0.5% or a half a gram for the total weight of the product. Remember, this is a red color, but the amount that you would be using would make a really pretty color. Package this up into a squeeze bottle. It just seemed to me the perfect packaging to be able to squeeze out the amount that I wanted. If you wanted to, you could take this gel and you could add a few drops into your moisturizer or your shampoo or your conditioner, even your hand lotion. I keep it on hand for mostly sunburns and insect bites. We live here in the South, so it's warm quite a bit of the time of the year. So, we see a lot of mosquitoes, and if you're sitting out on the back porch, you're liable to get a mosquito bite. And we also see a lot of sun during the year, so this is just a great, handy, generic item to have on hand. The scripture that I have for you today is John 19:39. And there came also Nicodemus, which at the first came to Jesus by night, and brought a mixture of myrrh and aloes, about 100-pound weight. This is referencing after Jesus' death at the crucifixion. Nicodemus came bringing myrrh and aloes to embalm the body of Jesus. If God thought aloe vera was good for Jesus, then it's good enough for me. If you found any value in this video, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.